Hello, class. I am your teacher today. I am Teacher Judy Ruth, but you can just call me Teacher Judy. And I am so excited to learn with you. Are you ready to have fun while we discover some amazing animals? Okay, so before we start our lesson, let us begin with a short prayer. So please bow your heads, close your eyes, and feel God's presence. Amen. So thank you, class. Now we are ready in mind and spirit. Let's start our lesson for today. But before we start, we will have a little game. I will show you some pictures and you will tell me what you usually do when you see them. Is that clear? So when you see this, what do you do? Do you run away? Or do you scream? Or just look at it? Okay, and now, how about this one? What comes to your mind when you see this? Is it funny or a little scary because of its many legs? And of course, take a look at this. Can you see this? Yes, we usually see them in the sea. They are beautiful, right? But their bodies are also unique just like ours. And class, all of these are called centipede, millipede, starfish, and sea urchin. They are part of our lesson today. So are you ready to explore? So let's move to our topic for today. We have A, class Chilopoda or the centipedes. Have you ever seen a creature with so many legs running really fast? Maybe in the garden or even inside the house. Who here has seen one? And yes, that is called centipede. At first, centipedes look a little scary because of their long body and many legs. But did you know that they are actually helpful? Because they eat insects which help balance nature. Their many legs make them move really fast and catch their food easily. So here, we can see what it looks like. So, centipedes belong to class Chilopoda. They have one pair of legs in each body segment. Most centipedes have about 20 segments, so around 20 pairs of legs. How many is that? And their body has two parts, the head and the body. So for example, we have Scolopendra, a centipede we sometimes see in houses or gardens. Can you imagine how fast they can crawl with so many legs? Who's scared of centipedes? But don't worry, class. They are more scared of us than we are scared of them. And next, we have class Diplopoda. Now, let's meet another many-legged animal. But this one is slow and gentle. Who has seen a millipede crawling on the ground? Anyone? Yes. So, millipedes move slowly and don't bite. They don't hunt other animals, but instead, they eat dead plants and leaves. That's right. That means they can help clean the soil and make it healthy again. If centipedes are the fast runners, millipedes are the slow walkers. So here's a picture, another picture of millipede. Millipedes belong to class Diplopoda. They have two pairs of legs in each body segment, and their body has three parts: the head, thorax, and the body. They are usually long with about 70 segments or more. And for example, we have the millipede itself, which we often see crawling slowly on the ground. So, class, have you seen one? Yes, because we can see them anywhere. And who here thinks millipedes are cuter than centipedes? Raise your hand. And now, for our last topic, we have Phylum Echinodermata, or the spiny-skinned animals. And now, class, let's dive into the ocean. There are amazing animals there with spiny skins and special shapes. So these belong to phylum Echinodermata. Can anyone guess what animal from the sea has a spiny skin? Right, we have starfish and sea urchin. And yes, class, they are very unique because they don't have a head, tail, left or right side, only a top and a bottom. But even though they look unusual, they are very important in the ocean. So here, we can see a picture of starfish and sea urchin. So Echinodermata means spiny skin. They live only in the ocean, from shallow shores to deep seas. They have no head, tail, left or right side, just the top and bottom. So for example, we have starfish, brittle star, sea urchin, and etc. So for our question, who here has seen a starfish at the beach? Or maybe a sea urchin? Which one do you think is the most interesting? Anyone wants to answer? Yes, you got it right. Okay, class. Now, let us review what we have learned from our lesson today. So for our question, which animal has one pair of legs in every segment? Right, that is called Chilopoda. And for our next question, which one has two pairs of legs in their every segment? That is also correct. That is called Diplopoda. And which phylum includes animals with spiny skin found in the sea? Yes, that is called Echinodermata. And great job, everyone! Today, we learned that centipedes and millipedes are many-leg creatures, but they are very different and in the ocean. Echinoderms are spiny-skinned animals that play an important role in the marine life. Now, we will have an activity. I will show you some pictures and tell me if they belong to Chilopoda, Diplopoda, or Echinodermata. So raise your hand if you know the answer. So, here, look at this picture. Can you see what's in the picture? Now, let's see who can get the most correct answers. So, class, today, we learned that the centipede or Chilopoda has one pair of legs in every segment. The millipede or the Diplopoda has two pairs of legs in every segment of their body, and that the animals under phylum Echinodermata have spiny skin and are found in the sea or in the ocean. So the next time that you will see a centipede, millipede, or starfish, you will surely remember our lesson today. So great job, class! And now, let's give each other or ourselves claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good! So I hope you enjoy our lesson today. God bless you, everyone.